In this video, I'll show you how to make objects float inside DaVinci Resolve using the camera shake effect. First, open the Effects panel by clicking on the Effects button at the top left of the Edit page. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Camera Shake. Drag and drop the camera shake effect directly onto your clip or object in the timeline. Next, go to the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Under the Effects tab, you'll see the camera shake settings. To create a gentle floating motion, reduce the PTR speed value to around 0.15. This controls how quickly the shake moves, and lowering it gives you that slow, smooth drifting effect. If the movement feels too intense, you can also adjust the amplitude or motion scale sliders to make the motion more subtle. A small tweak here will make the object feel like it's naturally hovering rather than shaking. Once you're happy with the look, play it back to preview the animation. You should now see your object smoothly floating in space. That's it! A quick and easy way to create a floating effect in DaVinci Resolve.